through the void, he sings it for the door. Moses calling out his name so clear. Space monkeys, destiny